Oh my god. I'm cold. I'm so cold. Right, it's Christmas Eve. Just had my hair done. And yeah, I better be going home actually. Right, so sorry, I'm just in my car. This is really in yellow. I hope you enjoyed this what I wore during the month of November. So I'm in my car at the minute. I'm just doing a really quick intro. It's like what I wore November / the start of December, so I'm just going to think I'm going to call it what I wore in November, but it does venture into December because I do want to just do a straight what I wore in December, like a separate video. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. I'm in my car and I can't park. I better get done because I'm thinking what the hell is she doing. So yeah. Oh my god, the bird just nearly flew into my window. So yeah, anyway, let's get straight into the video. The dress is from Primark and the boots are from F&F. The blouse is from Primark and the skirt is from Next. The boots are the same boots as before. The black leather boots are from Clarks, the dress is from Wallace and the coat is from F&F. The belt is from Ted Baker. The dress is from Lispy and the boots are from Marks and Spencer's. Face looks massive. Right, thank you for watching the video and I will see you in my next one.